everybody, welcome to my channel, and I'm Reed, and this is Reed's Beauty. If you do like my channel, please subscribe down below. If you like the video, please thumbs up. And if you have any comments, please comment below. So this is going to be my July Birchbox unboxing, and where we live, it takes us a little while to get a lot of the stuff. So where people are like, oh, they get theirs at the beginning of the month, we get ours more towards the end of the month. So this is the Birchbox for July that we got in. And so let's see what we have. So first thing we got in is the makeup eraser sample. I am fascinated how it's a sample because it's like a washcloth. So I guess it's just smaller than what the normal one is, which I have the full size one. So I think that's kind of interesting. And then, and that retails for $20 full size. Then I got in the Ico brow liner, and full size is $20. This is the deluxe thing. It'll be interesting because it's a medium, and it says it is water resistant. So we'll see how that goes because it's like a marker. I'm not sure. Then another one I have is the Marcel City Anti-Pollution Day and Night Moisturizing Emulsion. So basically it's a day or night cream. Oops, we got some glare going on. This is full size. This runs for $24. The next is the Amika Velveteen Dream Smoothing Balm. This is for damp strands for your hair and stuff. I like their packaging. It's always so bright and psychedelic. So I do like that. Another one I have is Aero Revitalize Under Eye Brightening Serum. Now this one I am excited because I do like their lip balm that they have, the one that changes color. This full size runs $18. The serum, this says light to medium. That could go bad. And then the Orib Beach Wave and Shine Spray. So they're kind of focusing on the hair a little bit this time. So with the two items that are for the hair and such. So it's kind of interesting what they kind of determine, stuff like that. So the Arrive it's full size, it's $42. So we'll see how that one is. I don't use a lot of the hair ones, but I'm trying to more and more. Trying to get into the practice of it and stuff. So it's not a bad box. I definitely will use the brightening serum, and I like the makeup eraser. So this one is probably really good for travel and stuff. So I do like the idea of that. And probably even the Marcel City serum moisturizer. So I'll probably like that too. It also says it can be used as a makeup base. So, and it says it's good for 24 hours. So I don't know day night, but it's good for 24 hours. That's kind of interesting. But anyway, that's basically the Birchbox. The hair things I will try to use. I can't guarantee it. I'm not sure about this whole water resistant liquid brow color. And it says it's in, like I said, I think it says it's what, medium. So we'll see how this does up to. But we shall see. So I hope everybody has a wonderful day, and if you have any comments or questions below, please do list them down below, and I hope to talk to you soon. Have a wonderful night.